So today I'll be showing you my I think it's from McDonald's collection of Minions. I didn't collect this, but I got it as a gift for my kids, and they haven't played with it yet, so I thought I'd share the love with these little characters. So this is the first one. I don't know what any of these minions are called, so you can let me know on the comments. There's one. There's another one. We were actually collecting some of these at one time. I don't know where they went, but I'm gonna see if my kids want to play with these. It's a waste if it's not being used. Here's the next one. It's a orange outfit. Sorry about the brightness on this. I can adjust this so it's not so bright. It's like a Tarzan outfit. Okay, here's your traditional one. I forgot what's this guy's name. It even has a way to turn it on. This was actually already on all the time, so oh darn. There's no more sounds. It's too bad. Let's go to the next one. It's the snowy outfit guy with very little hair. Got a lot of these, so if you somehow Count Dracula one got onto my YouTube page and wondering what's going on, you can definitely switch to something else. Here's another one. I don't know. This is a hippie minion. I really don't know how my wife's friend collected all of these, but they're pretty cool. I wish she would have kept them. I think she'd appreciate this more than I do. So, country yodeling guitar banjo guy. Barely stays up, but I'll come up a little bit. Like I said, I don't know if there's gonna be enough space here. The next one is a duplicate. Sometimes you get duplicates, so I'll leave this guy over here. Okay. This one is like a toga wearing guy with one eye. I actually appreciate the ones that are wearing, that have two eyes more than one. Here's just a regular one. Duplicate again. Get a lot of duplicates, of course, because when you go to McDonald's and you buy Happy Meals, you know what you're gonna get. But this one is a nice one. Like I said, a lot of them have the ability to make noise, but I think the battery's all out on this. And they don't seem easy to open. This one's hard to get to stand up. Okay. Another toga one, which I'll put to the side. Here's another traditional one where he's screaming. And it is... I really wish I could get the sounds out of here, but it has like hair over there. And then there's this one, the evil monster one, I think. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get my kids to play with this, but it's gonna be a tough one. Okie dokie. So this one's one with the fart gun. The great thing is it doesn't use batteries, you just have to push it So totally worth it. Sorry, I have to cover that other guy. Running out of space here. This one doesn't do much, but it's supposed to have sounds. Hey, this one works. Yeah, cool. Let me turn it off so it doesn't waste all any battery. It's pretty tall in charge. Seems like a duplicate of the one on the right, but he's not. He has something in his mouth, so you could blow on this. And I'm gonna blow on it because I'm sure someone else had previously blown on it. So I'm just gonna show you that guy. Duplicate. This guy over here. Say goodnight. Another duplicate, I think, of this guy. Another fart gun. This one's not too good. I mean, not too. It's pretty cool. It's one of those British Guard, I think. Maybe wrong. And it was left on. Doesn't make any noise anymore. Too bad. Getting allergies from these old things. There's one with like a plant around him, his waist. Almost done. This one is one in a robe. Oh shoot. Oh, it's all coming down. So this one isn't open. I kind of feel bad opening it, so I'm just going to leave it in its wrapper. It's a pirate one. One-eyed pirate, which doesn't sound too good. And then these aren't McDonald's ones. I don't know where they got it, but they're just two minions here. So that's it. That's my collection. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna put it in a box and box it away like the rest of my stuff. So enjoy. It's a lot of minions.